My name is Rahul Kumar Das. I come from a small town in Silavathar, Assam. My district is Dhemaji, and currently I am doing my graduation from DHSK College, Dibrugarh, and also preparing for civil service examination. And I will appear in the year 2023. My mother is a housewife, and my father runs a small chemist shop. I have a small sister who is studying in class 10, New 10, and I will be appearing in the year 2023 in my final year of graduation. So friends, ये सब है जो अनअकैडमी ने मुझे सेंड किया है so that I can prepare more nicely for UPSC Civil Services examination. So I'm going to unbox one by one and going to show you what actually they had sent for me. So I'm going to unbox this box first. I will keep it in my study table. So you can see that here is the map book. I don't know to use it properly. They have sent me actually clock, you can say. Mobile tablet universal stand. So it's a universal stand. How it's look like, and inside it. So this is the stand, or you can say a tripod. I forgot to tell you about something else also. They also had provided me with one iPhone, but I forgot to tell you. So right now I am recording myself with that iPhone. So take care. All the very best to all the future IS, and prepare well, and we'll meet in the academy. मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक छोटा सा लाइन शेयर करना चाहूँगा. There is nothing more powerful in this entire universe than a human being with a purpose. It's almost 2:32 am now, and I have wake up. Now I will brush and I will do little yoga, and then around 3 am I will be back to my study table. So it's almost 2:50 am now, and as you can see I am back to my study table, done with all my stuffs. So today I am planning to study chapter number 6 from Spectrum, Modern India. From 3 am till 5 pm I'll read 5 to 6 pages, and then next I'll continue the rest. So it's almost 5 am now, and I am done with reading 5 pages from chapter number 6 of Modern India. So now I will take a short break of 15 minutes, and around 5:15 I will be back to my study table, and once I am back I am going to continue chapter number 6. Now I have just come for a walk, so I will walk little and then I will be back to my study table. So it's almost 5:21 am now, and I am back to my study table after a short break, after a short morning walk, you can say. I'm back to my table, and now I'll continue with the book Modern India, chapter number 6. almost 7:30 am now, and I am done with reading 5 more pages from chapter number 6. So now I will take a short break of 15 to 20 minutes, and I will be back to my study table around 8 am. Then from 8 am till 10 am I will study 5 more pages. Okay, then I am back to my study table after a short break of 15 to 20 minutes. It's around 7:55 am now. So from 8 am I will start reading 5 more pages, and this is my plant. As you can see, it's growing so nicely. It's sharp 10 am now, and I am done with reading 5 more pages. Total I read 15 pages from 3 am. So now I will go to cut my hair. जैसे कि आप देख सकते चूल बहुत लंबा हो चुका है, तो पिताजी ने कहा कि चूल काट के आ जाओ. तो now I'll go to shop, and after that I'll bath, I'll have my food, and around 11 or 12 I'll be back to my study table. So it's almost 10:30 am now, and after cutting my hair, as you can see, and now I will have my food, and then after that around 11 am I will start reading the book. Do comment in the video how am I looking today. As you can see, now I'll have my food, and then I'll be back. It's almost 11 am now, and after having my food, now I'm back to my study table. So now I'll read 5 more pages from 11 am till 1 pm from Modern India, and then I'll decide what I'll do next. It's almost 1 pm now, and I am done with reading 5 more pages from Spectrum, unit number, chapter number 6. So now I'll take a long break of 1 hour and till 2 pm, and once I am back, I will read 5 more pages. Then that will be the end of the chapter, and then I will prepare notes of whatever I have studied, and then at the evening time I'll cover up the current affairs. So it's almost 2:25 pm now, and after a long break of 1 hour, actually I'm little late, 25 minutes, because our goat is infected. So doctor has came and is doing treatment of it. So I was there for some time, and now I'm back. So only 5 more pages are left from chapter number 6. Now I'll complete it, and then I'll make some notes, and in the evening I'll cover the current affairs. So it's almost 4 pm now, and I am done with reading chapter number 6 completely. So now I will take a short break of 15 minutes, and around 4:15 I will be back to my study table, and then I will prepare notes of whatever I have studied today, and then at the evening I'll cover the current affairs. So it's almost 4:15 pm now, and after a short break I'm back to my study table. So I'll prepare notes of whatever I have studied today till you can say 6:30, and then I will prepare for my current affairs for today. So it's almost 6:30 pm now, and I'm done with preparing the notes. So now I will read the current affairs from the Hindu, that is in my app, and I'll cover the editorial section. Then science and tech little, I'll read on PIB, PRS, and I'll read some article on Inside IS or IS Baba. So okay. So it's almost 7:30 pm now, and I am done with reading the newspaper and the editorial section, and I have covered something from the Yojana magazine. So I think it's enough for today. So now I will have my dinner, and around 8 pm I will go to bed. इससे पहले कि मैं सोने जाऊँ, मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक छोटा सा लाइन शेयर करना चाहूँगा. There is nothing more powerful in this entire universe than a human being with a purpose. So it's almost 8 p.m. now, and I had had my dinner, and now I will go to bed as I have to wake up early in the morning. But before that, I want to say that if you liked this session, do like this channel, do subscribe this channel, and do comment. Good night.